If you're experiencing billing errors on your Spotify family account, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common billing problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review subscription status. Go to your account settings and check the status of your Spotify family subscription. Make sure that the subscription is active and that there are no pending issues related to payment. Step 3. Contact family members. If you're the account holder, reach out to the family members on your plan. Confirm that they have not made any changes to their accounts or payment methods that could affect the billing process. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes browser issues can cause billing errors. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try accessing your account from a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Reach out to Spotify support. If the problem continues, contact Spotify support for assistance. Provide them with details about the billing error, and they will help you resolve the issue promptly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing errors on your Spotify family account efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Spotify's customer service.